this is very good. To keep them apart, not in this cell. But this cell was made for juvenile only.
What is the meaning of juvenile? For them to understand?
Juvenile means someone under the age of 17. From 17 down, juvenile. Yes.
Now you understand, yeah? You do something wrong against the law, so you're going to sleep. Do you see any beds here?
No.
No bed. Any mattresses?
No.
Any nice blanket?
Yeah.
You see, he wanted to become a lawyer, but now he has committed a crime, house breaking. And that's why how he ends up here.
They are treating us like dogs. We are like dogs in this place. Even the police are clinic to go to the clinic if you are sick. No one will take you. We must be treated equal like the other people outside are treated. We must also feel like human beings. We don't also children. We got our families, but we are feeling like we don't have anybody else again. We are thrown away. We are thrown away. It seems like we are guilty of these charges, but which is not true.
All of those friends, they will not even be your friends. Some of them, they will not even come and visit you. Then you are going to spend 6 years, 10 years, like the way you have seen it. So again, it's your choice. It's your choice.